Welcome. I'm Dr. Eric Tangumonke, and I'm excited to have you in this class. I'm looking forward to having an exciting and rewarding semester with you. I was born and raised in a caldera on the Cameroon volcanic line and got interested in geology when I was in middle school. Somebody told me that geologists are charged with looking for diamonds and gold, and I was interested to look for diamond and gold when I grew up. That is why after high school I went to the University of Boya and graduated with a degree in geology, went to the University of Yaoundé and got my master's in earth sciences, then moved to the US for my doctorate in geosciences. After graduation, I worked in the oil and gas industry, and one of the exciting responsibilities that I had was to look for natural occurring CO2. You may be wondering why somebody will be interested in natural occurring CO2. The CO2 was being used for enhanced oil recovery. This physical geology class is going to be introducing you to the history of the earth and how the earth has evolved over time. We'll be looking at different natural earth materials and how they have shaped our civilization. In addition to that, we'll be looking at the rock cycle and the different earth materials that are produced as a result of these different physical processes. The class is 100% online and it's very straightforward. I expect you to enjoy it and to do well. Each week, you're going to be assigned some materials to read, and quizzes will be assigned that will reflect the materials that you've read. We're going to have a discussion board, and the emphasis is on applying what you've learned during the week. I expect you to participate on the discussion board. Make sure that you respond to at least one other student in addition to your own contribution. This is not like a regular face-to-face class where you can take absence from coming to class. The deadlines are very strict, and each week there is something for you to do. So my advice to you is that you keep up with the work on a week-to-week basis and make sure that you don't fall behind, because the modules are going to be released at the end of each week. Our typical week starts on Monday and ends on Monday. So Monday is the day that all the assignments are due. If this is your first time of taking an online class, you may be having a lot of questions and apprehension. But I'm here to assure you that you are in the right place, in the right hands, and you're going to do well. I'm going to be giving you my email and my phone number, and I am available to answer your questions, to clear your doubts, and ensure that you have an exciting and rewarding experience. At any time during the course of the semester, if you have difficulties or any challenges, I am just a text message away or an email away. And if you want us to do face-to-face time as well, we can use Skype or Zoom and other modern communication capabilities that will help facilitate us communicating effectively. Usually when you send an email to me or a text message, I'll do all within my power to respond to you within 24 hours. You are welcome to this course. We're going to have an exciting and rewarding semester. We're going to learn a lot. New concepts will be introduced each week, but don't let that deter you. You follow the instructions and do what is expected of you. You are going to do great. So, let's get into the course and see what we have in there. And let's have a rewarding and fantastic semester. Thank you. Here by the Grand Canyon in Arizona, and as you can see, it's quite a spectacle.